on, guys? Just an update. I'm here in North Carolina where I'm dropping off tonight. I got here about 9 o'clock last night, so I slept here overnight. They do have on-site parking here, which is kind of nice, and there's like no truck stops where I'm at, like, or around me. So I parked here overnight, and I'm sitting here most of the day. I'm going to probably sleep a little bit today, and my appointment's at 7 o'clock tonight. So I figured I would give you guys a little bit of an interior tour of the truck that I'm driving. Hopefully it's not, I'm not going to show you like the floor or anything because I got my bags and stuff all laid out, but yeah, let's get to it then. So as you can see, this is my sleeper, bed, iPad, tablet, water bottle, all that good stuff. To the left we got a bunch of storage up on the top. Got a window there, it's closed because that's the way the sun's coming in. I'm trying to keep it cool in here. It is kind of hot down here in North Carolina. Right here, this is where my microwave and other things will go. For right now, that's where my printer is. I'll explain what that's for in a little bit. Come to the other side, same as the other side really. You got the storage up there. There's my open window. And this is the panel where I can control the AC and dome light and everything else. And there's my refrigerator. You got a cabinet there, and yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, but you also got a cabinet there as well. So this is pretty much it for the sleeper. There's really not much to it. The bed is really a good size, which is really nice, and I really like that. So now what I'll do is open up the front. Okay. So I'm going to sit down here, and I'm not going to bolt these curtains because I'm going to close them again. But so this is the front. You can see my CB, my GPS, stuff like that. My shoes. I'll come up front here. I do have to idle the truck just because it doesn't have an APU, so it's I gotta keep it running. But anyway, so right about here is my view when I'm driving. You got the mirror, you got all your door switches, heated mirrors, you know, power mirrors, everything else like that. Down here, you got all your light switches, ignition, hazards, and up here you got your gauges. Top left is your battery, your voltage. Under that's coolant, under that's oil pressure. Then you got your tach, speedometer. Up top right is your fuel, and the two below that are your primary and secondary air gauges. And then over here, starting from top left going right, we have oil temp, manifold, which is your boost, your trailer supply, which is the air supply to the trailer, then your fuel filter. Then go into the second row, you got your load suspension, which is nice because that'll kind of tell you, you know, when you should probably go scale, or you know, if you're gonna be, if you're a little overweight. It's a good indication. Obviously, I don't trust it. I scale anytime I am over 30,000 pounds. And then you got your trans temp, rear axle, your amps, front axle, brake application, and air filter. And then over there, right here, top one is your air suspension for the tractor. You can dump it and then raise it. Then you got your sliding fifth wheel and your diff lock. And then you got all these controls down here. Starting with top left, it's a regen switch, but this truck's not equipped with that because it's a glider kit. There's no emissions on it. Then you got your manual fan, and then your engine brake toggle here, and then your 3 stages. It's at the highest stage now. And then this button right here controls this screen. Sorry, this screen right here. So go through like a bunch of different things. Then you got your cruise down here. You got your radio, and that's it is Bluetooth capable, and it has Sirius XM on it, which is also nice. All your climate control and stuff like that. Over here you got a bunch of spare switches. This controls all the auxiliary lighting on the truck, all the chicken lights, I guess you could say. Your rear AC switch, your rear dome light switch, and then these are all spares, which they don't really do anything. Down here you got your tractor and trailer brakes, plain steering wheel, your air horn cord, which mine, that does not work because I have a train horn, and that train horn valve, I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me open the door. It's going to be upside down, but that's it right there. And there's my GPS up there. It's a Garmin truck GPS, which I didn't even know they made Garmin truck GPSs, but I guess they do, and I love it so far. It's great. That's my CB. You can turn it on. Can't hear anybody. There's nobody talking nearby. It does have a spotlight too. I do like that. There you go. And it does have a nice big visor on it. I love that too. And here's the other side. Nothing too special. The window, and then there's my mic right there. It's attached up there just for easy convenience. There's all my paperwork and stuff like that I keep. The floor is not carpet. It's like a rubber flooring, which is kind of nice. I like that. It's clean. It is an 18 speed, which is nice as well. I do like that, especially coming all the way from Indiana. I had to come through pretty much West Virginia, a little bit of Ohio, but it was quite a good amount of hills, so that 18 speed did help. But I'm not that heavy. I think my load's like 23,000 pounds, so it's nothing. But still, for when I am heavy, that is really nice. But I guess I can take you out. Sorry, I guess I can take you outside and show you the outside quick. So let's go. I don't know if they'll be able to hear me too well. But we'll start on this opposite side. So as you can see, there it is. Very nice truck, very clean. My sticker that I put on it. It's got air cleaner lights. It's got a light up in the air cleaner. It's got front air cleaner lights, lighting all down the side. Like I said, it's a glider kit, so it is straight pipe. 2 150-gallon fuel tanks, which is nice. You got lights on the back of the sleeper. I love this color, especially because I'm from Syracuse. I specifically asked for the orange truck. Go figure, right? So now you got, that's pretty much it for, as far as the truck goes. You know, you got the back wheels. And you've got a T-bar on the back of here, which is really nice. Looks really cool at night. And then you do have dual side boxes on each side. Kind of nice as well. This is a 53-foot vented. It's got stainless on front and back. It's a really nice truck and trailer. I love this trailer. It's so smooth going down the road. You got the alloy wheels on the back as well. It is air ride, and the tires have the auto fill on them, which is cool. It also has you can air slide the tandems, which is nice. But yeah, here's the back. Nice and polished. There you can see me. Hello. There's the other vent. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the outside. The one thing I'm not used to, well, I am kind of used to it because I did drive a truck with straight pipes before, is those exhausts. There's no guards on them and they get really hot. So I rub up against them with like a shirt I'm wearing. It sucks. But anyway, so that's kind of the tour. I'll probably do some driving videos eventually, not right away. I think before I do all that, I'm gonna probably clear that with my boss and make sure it's okay. Obviously, it's nothing I'm gonna be doing with my hands. I'm probably gonna mount you guys up on the front somewhere on a dash, and I highly doubt he'll have any qualms with that. But yeah, so that's it, guys, and I'll get back with you guys eventually, whenever I have a free moment. Not sure where I'm going next after I drop. I'll probably find out either tonight or tomorrow morning. So, but everybody be safe, and I will see you guys later.